Welcome to the simple life of Malaysia. I have a lake behind me, the beach right in front of me. Even when I'm on holiday, I want to make sure that I stay active and I want to get you moving. Remember, a short workout is better than no workout. So this 10 minutes workout will work on your butt muscles and also your ab muscles. It's the summer season and we want to look bikini body ready. No equipment needed, only your own body weight. So let's get moving. Each workout will be for 40 seconds long with 20 seconds rest in between, okay? We want to really work on your butt and also your abs. So there will be a lot of small pulses, okay? So get ready. The first workout will be Crabwalk with a narrow squat. So I want you to stay low, point your knees forward, give me a Crabwalk to the side with a narrow squat. Good. Small and walk. Very good. So again, this workout, there will be lots and lots of pulses. So every time you take a step to the side, pulse. Feel your butt muscles working. Good. So keep your chest open and look ahead. Very good. Stay low, okay? When you stay low, that's when you will be working on your glutes. And suck the belly in, face forward to work on your core. Very good. Keep going. Small pulses. You should feel your thighs warming up. Nice. Last few more. Last one more and rest it out. Right. So, curtsy lunge to squat. Let's work on our right leg first. I want you to step, opposite side twist, and give me a squat. So it's all about maintaining a low position, okay? Get ready, shake your legs a little bit, and you will really feel it on your left glute. Right, let's go. Twist and lunge. Good. Very good. Squat, small. So we're targeting one leg at a time. Feel your left thighs and also your left glutes working. Small pulses, keep going. Oh my God, I can already feel it burning. Nice. Keep going. Curtsy lunge to squat. Very good. Woo! Don't stop right now, don't come up right now. No high impact workout at all. Just small movement, but you are really targeting specific muscles. And shake it out. Next, let's work on the right leg, okay? So again, toes pointed forward, twist and work on the other side. Shake it out a little bit. Doing good. And let's stay low and do not come up. 5 more seconds, 3 more seconds rest, and let's go. Stay low, twist, and squat. Good. Now you're working on your right leg. Very good. Point your toes forward as you curtsy lunge, twist, and feel your abs and your obliques working as well. Very good. Stay low. Feel your thighs, feel your glutes, and keep twisting. You're halfway there. Crossover, tiptoe, crossover, and good. Keep going. Feel that burn and that energy in your legs. Good. Push your butt back. 5 more seconds. Last few more. Give me a few more. And rest it out. Oh my God, my thighs. Shake it out, okay? The next one is going to be a lunge with kickback. So I want you to step forward, take one leg back. As you come up, kick back, squeeze your right glutes, all right? So we're working again on one side. Left lunge with the right glutes, squeezing and kicking. Ready, let's go. Down, up, down, up. Good. Up, squeeze the glutes. As you come up, that's when you will really need to find your balance. Good. Look straight ahead. Focus on one point. Up and squeeze, squeeze and up. Oh, those butt muscles. Keep going. We want to work on them and grow them. Up and squeeze. One leg at a time. Very good. Few more. Keep your knees close to the floor. And shake it out, shake it out. Now, let's work on the other side, okay? So, right leg forward, left leg back. Ready? Shake it out a little bit. Focus on one point. As you come up, target and work on your core. Good. Step forward and give me a reverse lunge. Let's go. Down, up, down, up. Good. Woo! Find your balance, suck your belly in, find that strength within you. Very good. Squeeze and hold. Good. Down. Squeeze and hold. Very good. Squeeze and hold. Up. Keep your knees soft. Do not lock them. As you come up, look at one point and find your balance and engage your core muscles. Good. Keep going. Keep going. This is your final glute workout before we get onto the mat. Very good. Now let's get down. Lie down. I want you to get into a bridge and a crunch, okay? So bend your knees, keep them 90 degrees. Keep your heels close to your body, all right? So right leg up, give me a bridge pose. Up and crunch and bring your legs in, okay? That's it. Ready? Let's go. Bridge pose. Up and crunch. Good. Up, squeeze your glutes and squeeze your abs. Very good. Glutes, abs. There you go. Glutes and your abs. The more you bring your leg in, the more you will feel on your abs. So shoulders off the mat. Good. Keep going. Point your toes. Now let's work on one side to begin with, and we will switch after this. Keep going, guys. Squeeze. Hold it for one count at the top before you lower your butt down. Up, crunch, shoulders off the floor. Very good. Rest for 20 seconds, shake it out, and we want to work on the opposite leg. All right? Catch your breath, breathe in. It's so nice out here right now. All right? So, right leg down, left leg up. Same thing, point your toes all the time. And I want you to squeeze your right glutes. Ready? Let's go. Up, squeeze, and left leg in. Good. Squeeze, left leg in. Very good. Squeeze. Good. Up and point. If you're struggling, you can always start with your knee bend. Good. Knee bend and extend. Eventually, straight and crunch up. Straight and crunch. Very good. So your hands should just be supporting your head. You shouldn't be pulling on your neck or your head. Good. Up, crunch, up, crunch. One more. Up and crunch. All right. Now back up. Let's get into a cat-cow position and let's do donkey side kicks, okay? So I want you to bring your body up. All right. Hover. And I want you to kick to your side, bring it in, control, and kick to your side. That's it. Ready? Let's go up, suck in your belly, kick to your side, extend, control, small movement, control, extend, control, and extend, okay? By lifting your knees off, it will make the workout harder because you have to engage your abs and also your glutes even more. Beginners, start on your knee, kick, extend, bring it in, kick, and extend, okay? As you progress, lift up, kick, squeeze, bring it in, squeeze, and down. Good. Extend, control to the side, not to the back, to the side. Very good. Extend, good. Point your toes, point your heels out, and kick. And rest it out, shake it out a little bit. All right, stretch out a little bit if you need to. And we want to work on the other leg. Good. Left leg now. Oh. Sweaty. I'm starting to see my sweat dripping on the mat. All right, time to work on the left side. Let's go up, extend to the side, out, and extend. Good. Squeeze in, extend. Good. Kick your heels out, okay? Kick your left heel out and extend. And keep your back flat as much as you can. Do not twist your body. Minimal hip movement. Very good. Extend and pull it back. Extend and pull. Good. Halfway there. Keep going. Work on your shoulder muscles as well. Push it out. Good. Keep going. Do not drop your knees right now, okay? Give it a few more. Kick. Okay, stay strong. Stay strong. Kick. One last one. Kick and down. Oh, very, very well done. That was one set of your workout, okay? I hope you feel your glute muscles, your ab muscles. Remember guys, a short workout is better than no workout. Take a short break, breathe, drink some water, and if you have the strength, I challenge you to do this entire video once more, all right? So don't forget, even if you're on your holiday Wherever you are, a short workout is better than no workout, and you don't need any equipment. Your body is your best equipment, so utilize this fully. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, play this video on a daily basis, and you will see the difference and you will feel so much more energetic. All the best. I'm going to go to the beach right now.